What is going on, guys? It's your boy Reload here, and yes, it's a vlog. I'm gonna do a lot more of these because I couldn't do it before because my old phone, I blew the microphone to it. All right, one, it was out of date. It was a 7, right? It was like not that out of date. Came out a couple years ago, but when I was doing cold start videos, one of the cars I did a cold start video on blew the microphone. So no matter how loud I talked during Snapchat videos or trying to record, you can only hear me like this. Like, you can't hear me like this. It's like, sound like I was whispering when I was talking really loud. So I'll show you what my old phone looks like now. I got a new iPhone, iPhone XR, product red. I'll show you the box, but I'll show you the old phone. So here's my old phone. I reset it and I deleted everything off of it. You can see it was all cracked to hell. You can probably see all the cracks in it, and it's literally bent, silly bent, and it works. If I need to use this phone, I can put a SIM card in it and just use it. There's nothing wrong with using a phone, but for anything else, it's broke. So that's why I didn't want to make no truck videos, vlogs, or videos about the truck. Sorry about the angles, but yeah, I didn't want to make no videos about the truck because I didn't have a microphone to do it with, and my front facing camera, when the screen was cracked, that was blurred out because it sent a crack over the camera. So it looked like any front facing camera recordings I did looks like you had drunk goggles on. So I'm about to head to AutoZone just because I need to get some replacements on the truck. One, I bought some antifreeze, but it was the wrong antifreeze. Plus I need to get some new valve cover gaskets, and then after we get valve cover gaskets, then we're gonna head to Walmart so I can get some spray paint, because while I'm gonna do the valve cover gaskets, we are going to spray paint clean off the valve covers and spray paint the valve covers a certain color of my choice, and the air filter cover. So I'll show you guys outside under the hood before we leave to go to AutoZone. So we'll see you guys outside. Alright guys, we are outside. Now what I'm talking about is when we replace the valve cover gaskets, which is under that is a gasket that keeps these from leaking, because I'm having an issue with them leaking. We're going to take those out, clean them, both of them, and the air filter, and spray paint them. Alright, so we're about to leave. It is raining. You can probably see in the window. It's raining a lot. So not going to drive recording. I might try to get some clips of driving. Oh, sorry, I keep forgetting where the camera is, man. Yeah, so crack the windows. Yeah, I'm just gonna go to AutoZone. I was gonna go to AutoZone and get the valve cover gaskets and antifreeze, but my dad says he could get the valve cover gaskets for free at his work. So I'm just gonna go get antifreeze, then probably run to Walmart, get me some spray paint, and on the way back. So we will see you guys on the way there, or when we get there, or maybe some driving clips. I don't know, but I'll see you guys there. So we're on the way there. If you look in the floor, you can see that there's blue lights under the floor. I got I put some LED strips. Me and my friend's dad put in these LED strips at the bottom, and they change colors. I'll show you more about them when it's a nice clean day outside and nice clean warm day, and I can show you all the stuff I've done to the truck, from the exhaust video I did. Oh, actually the new dashboard, because the exhaust video was supposed to come before. It's supposed to come before the dashboard fix, but I'll show you guys more of these LED strips. I got a couple new things on the truck I replaced and added, so yeah. But we're on the way there, and we'll see you guys when we get there. We just got the AutoZone, so I'm gonna run in here and go get some antifreeze and come back, and we'll head to Walmart. I don't know what places like are very picky. I don't know which places are picky that they don't like recording in their things. So here I'm not going to. Walmart's a really big place, so if I'll record there looking for the paint and just walking around and stuff. So I'm gonna run in here, get some antifreeze, and I'll update you all when I get back into the truck. See you back here. All right, I'm out of AutoZone. The best thing is they actually had fucking paint there. So this is what I got. I got the correct antifreeze. It's Prestone 50/50 diluted, pre-diluted. The other kind I got wasn't the right kind. It was the kind that's used for aluminum blocks. I think that's what it was called. I think that's what it was meant for. Get some heat cranking in here. You ain't raining, so you can turn off. Yeah, I'm gonna get some heat cranking in here. And also they already had paint, and they had the specific paint that I guess is what it's used for. Got red. You're gonna paint, spray paint the valve covers red and the thing, and it's called engine enamel. So it's a drivetrain paint. So it can stand up to 550 degrees, and yeah, especially for motors. So that's all I'm gonna pretty much get. You could probably sell a couple things that I got. Got a tack, radio, that's been in the truck, but radio, the lights, I'll show you more in depth of it when it comes that time. So we are going to be on the way back, and I'll see you guys when I get back home, and we'll see what it actually looks like. So I'm gonna drive safe back home, because one, it's raining, and two, cops don't want to see you using your phone. They enforce the law hella strict now. Like, if they see you using the phone at all, you're fucked. So see you guys when I get home. All right, your boy got home safe. I just want to let y'all know that I got the stuff, the paint and the Prestone antifreeze. Plus I'm not gonna put antifreeze in it now, just because the truck's hot and you don't want to mess with antifreeze and open stuff when the truck is hot like that, when it deals with liquids. So I did get me some fucking McDonald's though, so I'm gonna end the video right here. Thanks for you guys coming with me, and thanks for sticking with me on YouTube, gaming wise and vlog wise and the truck wise. So I want you guys to please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe for more, and check the links in the description to all my social medias. And if you guys want to hit me up, I'm free to talk. I'll hit y'all up. I'll hit y'all back anytime. Just hit me with any questions. If you need help with anything, it does not matter. Just hit me up on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. It doesn't matter. I will get back to y'all as quick as I can. So thanks for watching, guys. Again, leave a like, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.